Welcome back to our coverage here tonight between the Coyotes and the Red Wings. Looks to move it along. Reeder down low. Both of those players out there with Brad Richardson. And now a shot taken out high. Loose in front, cleared away, and getting it is Jensen, the young defenseman. He'll skate it back to center before it's turned over, and Martinook will get it right back in. Derek Stepan. And now Ekman-Larsson across center. Gets it in over the line. Little wrist shot, and Howard got a piece of that.
There's the Oliver Ekman-Larsson. The Coyotes need to see more of that. That's a confident play right there.
Popped back out high, and Oliver Ekman-Larsson has it again. Ekman-Larsson shoots, stop that time, and right in front, Jordan Martinook. What a screen in front. Gets it in over the line. Toby Reeder. Now Reeder still with the puck.
Elias Reeder, he has got it singing here tonight.
And Reeder with a shot, and rebound just sent wide. Oh, I don't know if Cousins got his stick on that one or not.
What an opportunity. Pretty well played, though, by Kronwall. All over Cousins like a cheap suit.
Domi will go after it first to the puck. He lets it go there, and a shot that time by Hjalmarsson goes a little high. Now Domi tries to cut to the front. Domi still with the puck, and a stop, and a rebound right through the crease. Keller was there.
Here was the play by Domi. Throws it on the net, right pad. Keller just sweeps that puck right through the blue paint. Hockey game of inches. Look at how close this one is.
Off to a real nice start. Dylan Larkin will try to work it to the middle. Trevor Daley's there, and it's stopped by Antti Raanta. And it's taken away. And Larkin stripped of the puck by Stepan. What an effort. Here's a chance. Martinook. And he's stopped by Howard, but he draws another penalty. Coyotes are going to go on the job on a 5-on-3 here. Domi with it. Try to go rink wide. Stepan out high. Keller shoots and a stop. Rebound. Oh, they can't get it past Howard. Ekman-Larsson will crisscross with Demers. For Duclair. And now Duclair holds. Demers with a shot. Bouncing around. Trying to put it home on a backhand was Duclair. And the net has come off, and so we get a whistle. Cousins will try to get it out. Kempe helps out as well, and he jams it back to center. So the Red Wing penalty kill coming through in a big way. But here's a chance. Duclair skates it in, and that's stopped in a rebound. Howard will go to the corner. He's not going to go after it in the corner, and that's steered away by Mike Green and out to center. Darren Helm got it in over the line. Frans Nielsen stopped by Raanta.
And that is a deflator. The entire bench sinks. The air comes right out of the tires, but that's a big save and a big boost to that Coyotes bench.
Stepan across for Hjalmarsson and right back to Demers. In over the line, Stepan's got it. He drops it. Here's a chance. Keller, and he can't finish it off.
What a play. And there's Clayton Keller, just walks right through the blue paint, and that puck just rolls right off the backhand of his stick.
As Louis Dominguez come in for the Coyotes. And it'll be sent across, and in over the line goes Furk as he drops it off. And right to the glove of Louis Dominguez, so we'll get a face-off.
Hasn't played a lot of minutes.
Green with a shot, no problem. Dominguez, he'll get another face-off here. Quick stretch towards center, picked off by Trevor Daley. Played right back in. Here's a chance and a shot stopped by Louis Dominguez. Tatar and a glove save, Louis. Oh, he comes in with a couple of beauties here in the second period.
Louis Dominguez.
Louis been sharp in the first few minutes of the second period. As we mentioned, Antti Raanta started the game. He's out with a lower body to the front and a chance for Stepan. Now Stepan again to the front and another stop by Howard.
Look at the passing. Little chip play. Goligoski drop pass to support, and Keller finds the late man, Stepan. He gets taken down side of the net.
Coyotes have 4 shots so far on their power play opportunities, and a chance with some room here. And a shot by Demers. And it's handled by Howard, and he covers in the crease. Coyotes will win this draw, and Ekman-Larsson with it. He and Max Domi, the point men. Minute 12 to go. Domi with a shot right on. Rebound in the crease. And it goes in. And the Coyotes have scored. It's a power play goal. Might have been Keller to poke it over the line. It's 1-0 Arizona.
Nothing more Howard could do on this one. Keller relentless.
The chance in front. Backhander is sent towards the net. Never made it. Red Wings bringing the heat. And Green with a shot is stopped there by Louis Dominguez. Taken away by Demers. Tries to clear it, but he can't get it past Furk. Martin Furk to Green. To Martin Furk with a shot. He scores. A ripper has tied it at 1. Martin Frk with a power play goal. That's his third of the season, and it leads the Detroit team.
Coaching staff juggling those defensive pairings as well. What might look on paper doesn't always.
Stepan with a shot. Howard, easy save there. Ekman-Larsson will bring it along for Max Domi. In over the line. Max holds, and Keller with a goal! Clayton Keller set up beautifully, second of the night. Oh, the kid has it humming here tonight. As it's moved out of there, Nyquist touches it along for Green, who overskated it. But Zetterberg is there, and he drops it off. Dylan Larkin with a chance, and it rolls in. And the Wings have tied it at 2. Oh, boy.
And the Coyotes, they were in real good position.
Played in behind the net. Darren Helma's there for Detroit. Picked off by Hjalmarsson. Helma goes right back after it. Good effort there by Darren Helmas. This one is sent to Louis Domingue, who makes the save. And a cross before it's picked off, and the Coyotes will bring it out. Derek Stepan to center. In over the line. He's still got it. And a wrist shot up high. And nearly put home on a rebound, but overskating at that time. The Coyotes get it out once again. Nick Cousins couldn't advance it. Nyquist has a wide open Zetterberg right to the net. And it's stopped by Louis Domingue. Oh, a huge save there for Louis. Burke tries to drop it to the point man. Dvorak says so he picks it up and comes right back. Dvorak to Cousins, rips one, and that one bounces just wide of the net.
Really worse off he is.
I think Rick will take effective over flashy any day, as this one is sent on by Keller backhand. Now Ekman-Larsson chasing it out. Frk is there. Good support, Cousins. Coyotes will break in. Here's Duclair. Duclair shoots, stop that time, and it's underneath.
Fakes outside, cuts inside. That's a power move right there. Almost catches Howard. 5-hole.
To Domi. Domi in tight. Try to go across. Keller's there. Can't put it home. Oh, Howard, what a save. Clayton Keller is robbed. Larkin will bring it along. Here he comes to the front, and they score. It's a shorthanded goal, and Detroit has taken a 3-2 lead late.
And here's the miss by Keller. The spinorama goes under the right shin pad of Eriksson. Gets walked flat-footed, and no chance on the play as Glendening buries one past Louis Domingue.
6-on-5, empty net. Max Domi looks to play it along, took a shot, and that ricochets into the corner. Goligoski now down low. Fisher will try to play it there for Clayton Keller. Domi is in. Ekman-Larsson, and this one's going to go rolling towards the net and in. And the Red Wings are going to get out with a 4-2 victory. I'll go along with that.
The Wings weren't ready to start this game. They got owned in that first period.
Well, the Coyotes run out of time, and you know what? They're going to be really frustrated. They're going to be really disappointed headed to the locker room. And the Red Wings get a couple of points tonight in the desert. I know it's a loss, Tyson. And I know they got a point against Vegas in the home opener, but you can't even compare the two. This, in my opinion, the best outing they've had, but they got to start figuring out ways to bring games home. And if you go back, that second goal on Louis Domingue was really a crusher, in my opinion.